Hello friends, welcome back. Now all the functionality is done, so let's beautify our pages and do some styling. So first thing we need to configure Tailwind CSS. So Gatsby provides something called recipes that will automatically configure Gatsby to work with Tailwind CSS. So to install that recipes, we need to go to terminal and here we need to write npx Gatsby recipes space Tailwind CSS space hyphen hyphen install, and we need to press enter. So I think there is some issue, so let's stop it and do it again. So npx Gatsby recipes tailwind hyphen hyphen install, press enter, and now let's see what we can get. Okay, so I think the files have been created. Okay, but the problem is we need to install this manually. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so let's stop the terminal and we need to do npm install Tailwind CSS, then space post CSS, and then Gatsby hyphen plugin hyphen post CSS. Okay, so this was the first one, Tailwind. This was the second one, post CSS, and this was the third one, Gatsby plugin hyphen post CSS. Okay, so now hit enter. These files have been already created. So now let's go to Gatsby config.js. Okay, and here we need to add a plugin. So inside plugin we need to write in single quotes Gatsby hyphen plugin hyphen post css. Okay, and add a comma. Let's save this file, and now as you can see inside this pages folder, this file is already been created, and here it says that import styles from Tailwind CSS. Okay, so let's cut this out. Okay, let's copy this path and let's go to layout.js, and here we require that. Okay, so because this is the wrapper of all the pages, so that we can get Tailwind CSS for all the pages. Okay, so we need to import styles tailwind.css here, okay, instead of using it here. So let me close this, and now we don't require this file, so let's delete this. So I'm going to delete this file, not required. What about Tailwind CSS? Okay, this is not required right now. Let's do npm start. Okay, and then we can just check it in the browser. First, let it get started. Okay, let me refresh it. So it is still working. It is taking some time. Okay, so it is still building. Okay, now I think success. So as you can see, I think Tailwind has already been reset. Okay, so to check it now, let's go to index.js. Okay, and here inside this index.js, we can just add a class name, and that is going to be bg hyphen gray hyphen 300. Okay, let's save this and let's go back to the browser. Let me refresh the page. Gr, sorry, spelling is incorrect. Ay. So as you can see, we are getting this gray bg color. So we have successfully configured Tailwind CSS with Gatsby. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.